Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your daily water intake goal on the BodyFast intermittent fasting application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this Me button down below, which is the second option. After that, go to the Progress section that you can find on the left side at the top, and then click on the this water section and tap on this More button in the upper right corner of this second section, and then you can find the daily goal option that is set to 2.3 liters, but you can customize it and select the your own measurement that you would like to achieve. And when you have added this new entry, you can update it by clicking on the OK button down below. And as you can see, your daily goal has been changed. So feel free to change your daily water intake goal anytime by coming back to this section and then click on the OK button down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.